And good morning from Discover Real Estate. You see the guy in blue in the second tree to the left? Cutting coconuts today and trimming branches. So it's a little bit windy. He's kind of hanging on up there. So let's get a little closer so you can get a better view. It's one of the normal things I see on a daily basis when I'm out walking around. Guys in coconut trees, trimming the branches and cutting down the coconuts. So, there's some laying on the ground. This guy here's picking them up. So, I love my life. Come join me. More kids came down.